In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a gradient in Adobe Illustrator.
So I'm going to take my rectangle tool on the left and just draw a box. This logo down here has my brand colors in it. So I'm going to sample my brand colors from this nice blue, and then I have a turquoise. To do a gradient, you select your rectangle. So if you click and hold this gradient tool, we're going to select gradient tool. And for some reason, my window didn't pop up for gradient. So you can go up to window, gradient, and you'll get a gradient pop up. So down here, this is showing the colors that I can apply to my gradient. So I do want this kind of gradient where it goes from one color to another in a line. You also have the option for a radial or freeform, but yeah, we'll just stick with this one. And if I click that linear gradient, it's taking these two colors down here and applying it to my box. Obviously, I don't want the black. That's not in my brand colors. Okay, so if I click this little black dot, I get this little pop-up down here, and you do have the option of the color picker. So that's actually what I want to do since I have the logo right here. Okay, picking that color. All right, so that is a pretty nice gradient right there. You can change how this looks. You can click and drag this to change like how much of it is turquoise versus this dark blue. And look, if you get them too close, it creates this line. So you want to keep these little dots far away from each other. And then you can also change the angle of this. So to negative, you can change the angle of this gradient like that. So that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more graphic design and Illustrator tutorials. Thanks so much.